Each year, the Department of Commerce holds Consumer Protection Awards. Nominees are judged on how they are protecting consumers within the community. Our Undercurrent team went along to see what awards were being given out.
I'm Nadia Hunter, and today we're here for the Western Australian Consumer Protection Awards with a very special tribute to Rona Oakley. Hello, thank you for joining us. How do you think the awards ceremony went today?
I think it went wonderfully. This is a great opportunity for the consumer protection community in Western Australia to recognise their own and to inspire others to also look out for consumer rights. The awards recognise a variety of contributions from community groups and even companies that are looking at improving the lot of Western Australians, and there's also an award for a media story or series of stories that will assist in promoting human sort of consumer rights in Western Australia.
Lindsay, thank you for joining us and congratulations on winning your award.
Thank you very much. It's a really exciting day, I think, for Jacaranda, and especially a large percentage of my committee are Aboriginal. So it's really special for them.
Tell me, how hard have you and your team worked to enable winning this award today?
Jacaranda's worked really hard. We started up from scratch for nothing 16 years ago. So it's been a long haul. People were coming through the door from day one, and we're always totally booked and having people waiting. It's very important that we try and get out as many issues as we can and assist as many clients as possible to do that. So the scams and the consumer protection, they're all things that the average person that we're seeing won't have dealt with, and because it's close to them, they will find that it's very difficult to deal with, and we're very happy to assist them with those or any financial counselling aspect in their life.
And you said that you'd be interested in some funding. Where can people go to help you to further your reach into the community?
Jacaranda is a donation gift recipient, so if anyone wants to donate to Jacaranda on our website, if the government is out there, knows what we do, come and talk to me because I want to keep our staff and I want to be able to help as many people out in the community as I possibly can.
Thanks for joining us and congratulations. A lot of hard work went into this story.
Thank you. It was a bit unexpected. I kind of wish I had prepared a bit of a speech, but there we go.
How important do you think it is to get these messages out to the broader community about scams and...
I think it's incredibly important. The main story I was looking at was in relation to property-related scams. And the thing about property scams is that it's such a big investment. If you get caught up in one, there's your retirement savings gone. And as part of my investigation, I spoke to a lot of people who'd been burnt by property spookers, and it really put them in a bad place. I mean, they'd lose their life savings. It would screw them up in terms of retirement, and in some cases people can become suicidal at the result of these kind of scams. So I think it's really important, and that was what the work of other people here today really showed too.
And you said that the Department of Commerce and Consumer Protection were very helpful.
They were really helpful. I work with a few different government departments in my role, and the thing I find about the Department of Consumer Protection is they always go above and beyond to help, and there seems to be a culture of they're not necessarily helping because they want to themselves in the headline, they want to show off about what they're doing. It was really you get a real sense that they want to get these messages out there because they know what the consequences of some of these scams and schemes can be, and they want to warn consumers, which I think is really great.
Alison, thank you for joining us and congratulations on your award today.
Thank you very much. It's been an amazing achievement on behalf of ATCO Gas Australia and our schools program.
So how many children approximately would have gone through your gas safety program?
Okay, so to date we've had over 700 students come through the program, and this year we're looking at welcoming over 800 schools to the schools program.
So tell me about the importance of increasing awareness with gas safety in the home.
So ATCO Gas Australia plays a very large part in educating the community and the public about the awareness around natural gas safety, and our schools program is a strong commitment to maintaining that awareness and education for future gas users and school-aged children.
Well, with so many dedicated consumer advocates working in our community, it's certain that Rona Oakley's work will live on. I'm Nadia Hunter, see you next.